See over here, it kind of got the fooling around. This is ground in slick, nasty oil and dirt. It's not going anywhere. Just wanted to show you guys that it can clean the really tough stuff. Now here's the thing, I know what you're saying. A guy left me a comment saying that his 140 bar pressure washer could have did that job in 10 seconds or 20 seconds. You know, and I'll agree to that. A pressure washer can do quite a bit of work in a short amount of time, but the damn mess you make. This is minimal right here, guys. This whole place would be a splattered black mess. I would have splattered black grease blobs everywhere in here if I'd have just pressure washed this. Pressure washers spray stuff all over the place, including right back in your face.